Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if y'all watched my last video, y'all know how dirty my truck was. It's all shined up and clean now. No more mud and crap like that. The last time it was cleaned, I think it was like probably about a month ago now, so we finally cleaned it, but that's besides the point. Today, I'm going to show y'all how I did the Starlight headliner in my truck, because I had a lot of people asking, surprisingly, about how I did it in my truck, and it was a lot of people commenting, how did you do the Starlight headliner in your OBS? So I reckon they have an OBS, so I was like, let me make this video, and maybe y'all can use the same spots I use to, you know, set mine up. So let me show y'all real quick. So as you can see, you can't really tell there's anything at all. And I got this little switch here, bloop, and I have it on blue right now. It looks pretty freaking dope. Well worth it. I will say, if you're gonna do this, make sure you got some time on your hands, because it did take, I'm gonna say, close to 8 hours, not gonna lie, for everything, like taking out pillars, taking out the headliner and all of that. But I'm gonna tell y'all step by step how I did it. So first thing first, you get in the truck, obviously, take down, or I guess take out, I should say, all the things you need to take out or take off to get the headliner out. And for this, it was just, I did that one, and then like the ones on the top right here, and then I took these off, and that was still on. No, and then I took that off too. Then I took the headliner out, took it in my room, and I had to poke holes obviously through the headliner. I think this is like a 400 star kit, I actually don't remember, but you have to poke all the holes, you put all the fiber optics down through it, you put it in here, and they are like all hang down, like all the fiber optics would hang down. And then you could leave it down like that if you wanted to be different, or you just clip them up to the headliner and it just looks like this. And then whenever you turn it off, you know, it just looks like a normal headliner. And sorry for the lighting, it's getting dark out here, but I figured it'd be best to make it when it's dark so y'all can actually see this. I went ahead and got in my truck so I can try to show y'all better. Not very great lighting in here, so I'm gonna show y'all the best I can, but as you can see, there's the fiber optics right there. That obviously the box for the headliner is obviously right there. I don't know if y'all can see it very well, but it's literally right there. And then I just have the fiber optic strands running up through this pillar, up, and then obviously, you know, let me turn these off real quick. I left these on because I'm about to show y'all something real quick. But yeah, it came up through here, and then obviously all of the little fiber optics are up under this. Now I'm gonna turn this back on real quick and show y'all my hot wire. A lot of y'all might actually have this. Hang on, let me try to get a light. Okay, so I got a light on now, and there's this little plug here. If y'all see this plug, you can see this red wire right here. It goes into this plug right here. You can see my shadow pointing at it. There's a hot wire in there, and obviously it's on all the time, even when the truck's battery isn't on, which is why these are on right now. So that's where my hot wire is, and then my ground wire is actually up under the floorboard in here, like literally like right in this vicinity. So yeah, the cord, the hot wire was ran from there, and it like comes up under this, comes out. Let me open this door real quick. And then it goes through this little panel you take out, and the wire runs back, and obviously it goes to the little, you know, box back there. Dang, just look how good it looks when it's clean. Jeez, it's so shiny. What do y'all think about color matching the headlights though? This is my idea. Follow the blue through the headlights and the grill, and follow the white through. Drop down in the comments below if y'all want to see that happen, because I really want to do it. But guys, I want to make this video short and sweet like a few other videos I've been doing, because I really like doing y'all's guys' suggestions that y'all leave me, and apparently it really looks like it helps y'all out too, so that's a win-win. But guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. As y'all can tell, short, sweet, to the point. There's bugs. And also I can change the colors and stuff too, but I don't really need to show y'all how to set up the wiring, or at least how I did it. But like I said, hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and hopefully it did help you for the people that were asking about it. But make sure to drop a like if you haven't already, subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.